Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a plane passes through the point this and this makes an angle of 45 degree with the plane this. Then, which of the following points satisfy the desired plane? So, first you need to find out the plane which will pass through the point this and will make 45 degree with this plane. Okay, so look at this, how we will solve this problem. So suppose that the equation of plane is what? Ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. So this is your equation of plane. If I'll give you value of a, b, c and d, you guys can directly tell me the equation of exact plane and you can answer accordingly. If I am not wrong, look at this. If you'll observe this equation, you have problem with A, B, C and D. So there are four things that you need to know. So what I want to do is to minimize the number of variables. I will divide both sides by D. Suppose if I'll divide both sides by D, we will have A by D, B by D, C by D and D by D. So this thing will be updated into AX plus BY plus CZ plus 1 equals to 0. Now you have to find out value of A, B and C. Correct? So if I will find out the three things, value of A, B and C, we are done. Correct? Now let's dive into the question. So the question says the first idea is your plane should pass through the point 0, -1, 0. So it will satisfy 0, -1 and 0. So let's satisfy. So it is minus b plus 1 equals to 0. Correct? Means if you'll substitute in place of x 0, it will become 0. In place of z, if you put 0, c will become 0. In place of y, if you put -1, b will become -1. So -1 plus 1 equals to 0. So sorry, minus b plus 1 equals to 0. So the value of b becomes -1. So this is your first result. Now we have second idea that the plane is passing through this point as well. So it will satisfy that point. So let's substitute. So x, if you'll put in place of x 0, it will become 0, y 0, 0 and then c plus 1 equals to 0. So you got c plus 1 equals to 0. So the value of c becomes -1. Okay. So the value of c becomes -1. Is that okay? C1. Okay, great. Now, suppose that b is -1. No, this is +1 now. This is wrong. Okay, because b will go that side, so it will become plus b. So this idea is clear. Now, move on to the third part where they are saying that angle between the plane 1 and plane 2 is 45 degree. So you know that to find out angle between planes and to find out the angle between the vectors, the normals are same na. So can I say that the normal one is AI plus BJ plus CK and the normal 2 is J minus K. So they are saying that it is making 45 degree. So can I say that n dot n1 dot n2 is equal to mod n1 mod n2 cos theta, and they are saying that theta is 45 degree. So can I say that, like, try to understand this part. So I will be writing cos pi by 4 equals to n1 dot n2. So n1 dot n2 means what? I with I, j with j, and k with k. So I with I is 0, j with j is b, k with k is minus c, and then root under n1. So magnitude of n1 means what? A square plus b square plus c square, and then 1 plus 1, correct? And this has to be mod because I want acute angle, so it is positive. Okay, now you know that cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. So if I will be writing 1 by root 2, don't you think this root 2 and this root 2 will be neutralized? Okay, now what I will do, I will do squaring both side to get rid of this root as well as mod. So on the left hand side we will have 1, so the denominator part will be multiplied. So we got a square plus b square plus c square equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc. Okay, so b square gone, c square gone. Is that okay? So now can I say that, and you know that the value of c is what? 1 minus 1. So minus 1 square is 1, and here though we got, how we can neutralize a? This is wrong. Okay, so c square gone. We don't know who is a square, so a square will be a square. And you know that b minus 2, b is what? 1, and c is what? Minus 1. So this thing will become 2. So a will become what? Plus minus root 2. Correct? So the equation of plane will now look like, suppose it is root 2, a is root 2. So it is root 2x plus b is 1, so y minus z plus 1 equals to 0. So this is your plane 1. Or if it is minus root 2, so minus root 2x plus y minus z plus 1 equals to 0. Or this is equation of plane 2. So this is your required equation of plane. Now these guys are talking about the point which satisfies the desired plane. Now based on options, you have to substitute the option in these two planes. Whatever satisfies is the correct answer. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.